Saving energy at home. B2 saving energy at home has become increasingly important in recent years. Rising utility costs, environmental concerns, and climate change have encouraged many people to adopt more responsible habits. In my opinion, small changes in daily routines can make a significant difference both for household budgets and for the environment. One of the most important aspects of saving energy is reducing electricity consumption. Nowadays, homes contain many electrical devices such as televisions, computers, routers, washing machines, and kitchen appliances. Although these devices make life more comfortable, they also consume large amounts of electricity. Personally, I try to avoid wasting electricity whenever possible. For example, I switch off lights when they are not needed and turn off devices instead of leaving them in standby mode. Many people do not realize that electronic equipment continues consuming energy even when it appears inactive. Another useful habit is using energy-efficient appliances. Modern refrigerators, washing machines, and LED bulbs often consume much less electricity than older models. Although these products may cost more initially, they usually help reduce expenses in the long term. Saving water is equally important. In some regions, water shortages are becoming increasingly serious because of droughts and climate change. For this reason, responsible water consumption should become part of everyday life. Personally, I try to avoid unnecessary water waste. For example, I turn off the tap while brushing my teeth and avoid taking excessively long showers. Small actions may seem insignificant individually, but when millions of people adopt similar habits, the overall impact can be substantial. Another effective method is repairing leaks quickly. A dripping tap may appear harmless, but over time, a surprising amount of water can be wasted. In addition, modern water-saving devices such as efficient shower heads can reduce consumption without affecting comfort significantly. Daily habits play a crucial role in energy conservation. People often focus on large technological solutions, but simple routines are just as important. For instance, opening curtains during the day reduces the need for artificial lighting. Similarly, using natural ventilation can reduce dependence on air conditioning. In summer, especially in warm regions, cooling systems often consume large amounts of electricity. Instead of lowering temperatures excessively, people can use blinds, fans, or better insulation to keep homes comfortable. Years ago, people used to rely less on electrical devices because fewer appliances existed. Today, technology is integrated into almost every aspect of life, which makes conscious consumption more important than ever. One major benefit of saving energy is financial. Electricity and water bills can represent a significant part of household expenses. If families reduce unnecessary consumption, they may save substantial amounts of money throughout the year. Another advantage is environmental protection. Producing electricity often requires natural resources, and excessive energy consumption contributes to pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Therefore, reducing energy use helps decrease environmental impact. Saving energy can also increase awareness about sustainability. When people pay attention to consumption, they often become more conscious of other environmental issues such as recycling, waste reduction, and responsible shopping. Technology can help improve efficiency as well. Smart thermostats, energy monitoring systems, and automated lighting allow households to manage consumption more effectively. Nowadays, some devices can even adjust themselves automatically to reduce energy waste. However, technology alone is not enough. If people continue leaving lights on unnecessarily or wasting water carelessly, even advanced systems will not solve the problem completely. Human behavior remains the most important factor. Personally, I believe saving energy should not be considered a sacrifice. Most energy-saving habits are simple and do not reduce quality of life. In fact, they often improve organization and encourage more responsible behavior. Governments and educational institutions also have a role to play. People should learn from an early age why saving resources matters and how small actions contribute to larger environmental goals. Public awareness campaigns can encourage positive changes across society. To sum up, saving energy at home is beneficial for both individuals and the environment. Reducing electricity and water consumption lowers expenses, protects natural resources, and helps combat environmental problems. In my opinion, Simple daily habits such as switching off lights, saving water, and using energy efficient appliances can have a surprisingly positive impact. If more people adopted these practices, society would become more sustainable and environmentally responsible in the future.